Hi, everybody. My name is Jordan. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute beginner morning workout routine. This is great for those of you who are brand new to exercise, need something just to get you loosened up and going in the morning, just to get that whole body involved a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and start seated. You could do this on the edge of your bed. You could do it on a chair. So first thing I'm going to have you do are just some belly breaths. So you can put your hands actually on your belly. As you inhale, I want you to think of that belly expanding out. Exhale, release. Inhale, expand the belly out. Exhale. Just 3 more like that. Now we're going to keep going with those belly breaths, but now I want you to take an inhale and reach the arms up. Exhale, release the arms by your sides. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more of those. Good. 1 more. Taking those hands right behind your head, sitting up nice and tall, nice, easy, just torso rotation off to the side and center. Switch other side and center. One more here. We're going to keep those hands behind your head and then just lean side to side. And last one. All right, perfect. Legs straight out in front of you, keeping that back nice and tall. You're going to go ahead and hinge forward as far as you can without letting that back round, and sit up. Hinge and reach forward and sit it up. We're going to be doing this 10 times. Here's 3. We'll go 3 more. Last one. All right. Feet are going to come about hip distance apart. You're seated right at the edge of your chair or bed. You're going to go ahead, stand up, and take a seat. Stand up, take a seat. We're doing this 10 times. Last 2. And 10. All right, now we're going to stay standing for a couple. We're going to go into some high knees here. All right, we're going to repeat that sit to stand again, so feet about hip distance apart. Go ahead and take a seat and stand up. If you want to go a little bit more advanced, you can take the chair out of it, scoot yourself forward, and just go into some body weight squats instead. One more. Standing up nice and tall, back into those high knees once again. Good. All right. Now we're going to use the back edge of your chair. You could also do these same moves against a wall as well, if you would like to do that. So we're going to go ahead and come into a plank position. We're going to step in and step out. All right, you can stay against the back of your chair or go against a wall, either way. We're gonna do a few push-ups here, warming up those arms. Inhale, lower down, exhale, press up. Awesome job. All right. You can use the back edge of your chair or a wall for balance. We're going to be going into some lunges. So you're going to step back, drop that back knee down towards the ground, and come on up. Let's do one more on each side. Perfect. All right. We're going to go ahead and take a seat once again. We're going to do some stretching here. So first one, you're going to kick one foot out in front of you. Toes are up, and you're going to go ahead and hinge forward, reaching down towards those toes, and you should feel a stretch right across the back side of this straight leg. We're going to take this same leg now and cross it up and over the other leg, sitting up nice and tall. To deepen this stretch, you could always put a little pressure on the inside of that knee. Go ahead and release that. We're going to kick that other leg straight out in front of you. Once again, same thing, hinging at the hip. Stretch out your hamstring. Good. Go ahead and sit up here. We're going to cross it up and over. We've got that figure four. You can go ahead and release those feet back down to the ground. We're going to take a deep breath in here together. Reach up, exhale, grab a hold of your wrist and do a nice little side bend. Inhale, reach up, exhale, switch. One more each side. Inhale, exhale, switch it over. And again, inhale and exhale. Arms down along your sides. Let's go ahead, relax the shoulders, tip your head off, stretch out that neck. and switch it over, other side, hold it. Release that. Take one more deep breath in here together. Reach up. Exhale, inhale, reach up, stand up. And exhale, release. All right, have a great rest of your day, everybody.